there's not a whole lot you can do to a 55 Chevy that hasn't already been done. So I was kind of looking at some of the West Coast taste and flavors that are happening, both from the 60s and all the way to now. And I kind of got a little lost with the gasser theme and the flat blacks and the flat gold and the matte finishes. I kind of fell in love with those, and I thought that the car really needed that. And so that's what it's going to go with. And I have a little hot-headed 283 in here that's going to be, you know, like you would have been seeing on the track in 1965.